Hi, what's up and welcome back. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, I really want to say a big welcome to you. And if you are already a subscriber, I really want to say a big thank you for watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn free BSV coin and withdraw directly to your bank account. But here's one thing I want you to know. I already explained everything, like how to register an account, how to earn in this video. So you might want to consider scrolling through the videos on this channel and search for this video. Then once you see the video, watch the video first. If you haven't watched the video before, then come back here to watch this video. In that video, I explained how to get the coins and purchase as airtime. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw directly to your bank account. So now I want you to pay full attention to every single thing I say in this video. So now this is my account. In that video, this video, I already explained how to register, but let me tell you how you can earn on this app. You don't have to refer anybody. You don't have to do anything. All you really need to do on this app to earn is just to spend enough time on the app. And this is what I mean by spending enough time on the app. Okay, now this is my account. If I tap here and tap on change theme, let's assume I change it to this. Okay, I'm going to definitely get paid for doing just that. It is really crazy, but I'm going to get paid. But what I want to tell you now is the reward is really small now, and I want you to do it only if it is worth your time. The reward is really small. When I posted this video, the reward was really high then, and they were paying a lot of people. But now the reward is now little because they have a lot of users, but it is still paying and it's still worth trying. So now for just changing my team, I'm going to get paid. For you refreshing your balance, you're going to get paid for that. For you checking even the app center, you're going to get paid for every single thing you do. For you coming here and visiting all these, for you reading your notifications, for you checking your settings, you're going to get paid for doing all of that. So now let me show you on how you can actually withdraw it directly to your bank account. So now I have about 0.179019118 BSV. BSV is not the same as BTC. I want you to understand that. So now let me tap on this button to show it in Naira. That is about 4,145 Naira. I earned it absolutely for free. Let me show you how I got this by checking my notifications. And as you can see, this is 5.7, this is 11, and this is 4,000. So let me tap on this 4,000. As you can see, you earned earning rewards for referring a friend, for logging into centbee, for viewing your transactions, for window shopping, for browsing shop, for looking around on the map. So they paid me for just checking the map, for doing everything. So this was the first payment. I think this was the first payment, around 2000 BSV. So you earned earning reward for browsing, shopping, and all of that. So they are paying you for every single thing you do. For me just checking this notification right now, they are going to pay me for doing so. So now the next thing is how to withdraw. For you to withdraw, here's what I want you to do. You need to have either a kucoin account or an OKX account. So now let's assume you already have a kucoin account. If you don't have a kucoin account, download kucoin using the link in the description and verify your account using your bank verification number, your voter's card, or your NIN card. And you can do the same with your OKX account. Download OKX, verify using your bank verification number, your NIN card, and your voter's card. So now once your account is verified, let me just quickly log into my kucoin. So you are going to check your kucoin as well. So now here is my kucoin, and please, one thing I always say is make sure you always check the description of the video. I want you to understand that some things might change on the app I decide to promote or the site. I cannot always re-edit the video once I've uploaded it, but I can always change what is in the description to give you full details if it's still available or not available. So anytime you are watching this video, just check the description to get more info. So now this is my kucoin account. Let's assume you use kucoin. This is what you are going to do. It is the same procedure for OKX. So you are going to tap on your asset. Once you tap on asset, let me show you the transaction I did. This is where to check your transaction. Just tap on it. This is deposit. As you can see, I deposited BSV. This is the coin I got from that app. I want you to check the first video to understand how to register. So now this is what you are going to do. You are going to log into your account and you tap on deposit. So now once you tap on deposit, you are going in the search bar, you are going to type in BSV. Please make sure it is BSV. This is the coin. This is BCHSV. Tap on it. So now you are going to see like an address. You are going to select your network first. Select this network, and now you are going to see an address. This is your address. So now you are going to copy your address and go back to your account. You are going to tap on send. So now on this page, in this box, actually you are going to put in your address. You do not have to tap anything, just put it in and wait, and it's going to take you to this page, and you are going to enter the amount. Let's say I want to transfer 4,100. They are going to charge you this 0.04 naira. So now you are going to tap on send. Now once you tap on send, confirm that you want to send 4,100, and it's going to take few minutes. This is sent. So now on your kucoin you are going to receive it, but here is what I want you to understand. This coin, before they actually credit it to your kucoin, it takes up to 3 days. Yeah, it takes a very long time. I think it's about 3 to 4 days. The last one I did was about 3 days. So it's going to take about 3 days before you actually get it to your kucoin, but you can actually check it here. It is not going to be available now. You're going to see something like processing. If you check your recent transactions, you are going to see it's processing, but it is going to get credited after 3 days. So now here is what I want you to do. Once you receive it to your kucoin, you are going to receive an email just like this, and you are going to see it on your balance. So now once you receive it on your kucoin, this is what you are going to do. It is the same procedure for your OKX. You are going to tap on trade. Once you tap on trade, you are going to tap on this place. Mine is already at BSV, so yours can be CILO, it can be TRX or anything. Just tap the search bar and put in BSV. So now you're going to select this first one, which is BSV/USDT. Tap on it. Now you are going to tap on, this is buy and this is sell. You have BSV, so you are going to tap on sell. So you are going to put in the amount of BSV you want to sell. You should have BSV here, but for now I do not have BSV. I've converted to USDT already. I want you to understand that the minimum you can swap right now, I mean during the time of making this video, is 0.01 BSV, which is about 0.3 USDT. So you need a minimum of 0.01 BSV. If you do not have up to that, I suggest you follow what I explained in the last video, this video, and just purchase airtime with your BSV token. So now you're going to put in 0.01 if you have up to 0.01, and as you can see, this is 0.3 USDT. If you have up to 1. Let's say 0.1, you're going to get 3 USDT. If you have up to 1, you are going to get 30 USDT. So you are going to tap on sell BSV. Once you tap on sell, as you can see, this is balance insufficient. Yours is going to process immediately. For it to be very fast, you can change this limit to market. Just change it to market. It's going to process immediately. So now you're going to get USDT. Once you get USDT, here's what I want you to do. Once you convert to USDT, come to your home page, tap on P2P here. Then you're going to tap on sell. Just tap on sell. You can change your currency to Naira here. This is USD. Just put in Naira. It is going to change to Naira. And you're going to sell directly from here. You're selling, and 1 USDT right now for this, always check the limit please, is 909. If you have about 10 USDT, just check the limit for 10 USDT. It is very important. You're going to search for the price here. You're going to look for, if you have 10 USDT, that should be about, let's say, 8,500 Naira. So you're going to look for 8,500 Naira from the merchants available. So once you see, okay, this person is buying 1,000 to this person is 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. So you take your time to look for the merchants with the highest pay and the banks available. So let's assume you just have about 2 USDT. Your BSV is equivalent to 2 USDT. You just look for this person. This is 1,000. You tap on sell. So now you're going to tap on edit. If you haven't set your payment method and all of that, you're going to edit everything, add your phone number, add two-factor authentication. Then once you tap on sell, it is going to take you to the page where you have to actually wait for the merchant to make payment. You add your bank details and everything. If you do not understand how to withdraw from P2P, you can watch this video. I've explained everything in this video, and that's pretty much it. That is how to withdraw from your centbee account directly to your bank account. I hope this video explains everything you need to know, and if you haven't registered on centbee, you can watch this video to understand everything on how to register and how to get started as well. I want to say a big thank you for watching, and lastly, if you haven't join the WhatsApp group, I want you to click on the link in the description. I do not know when you are watching this video, it might not be available anymore because it is only available for a very limited time. So if you can still find it, then congratulations. Join the WhatsApp group to get updates that do not make it to the YouTube channel, and I hope to see you next time.